Welcome to Technical Academy. In this lecture, we are going to discuss the select distinct statement. Select distinct statement is used to retrieve unique records from a specified column, a set of columns in a table. It eliminates duplicate records from the result set. This is the syntax for the distinct statement. Now let's understand the distinct statement with a practical example. Okay, so we can see that when we run the select asterisk from the table name command, we are able to see this data set. And in this data set, we have multiple columns. One column is the region column. So if I run the select region from table name, this statement will give me the data of the region column. I can see that we have duplicacy in terms of the values. So every column is being repeated multiple times. What we are interested to see is that what is the unique value exist in this column. Means we can see that USA is coming multiple times, Europe is coming multiple times. So this what we wanted to know is that what is the unique value. So we'll write select distinct region from this table. And now I will select this statement and click on execute. And now I can see that there are only 3 regions exist in this column. Earlier we were using the column name, so it was giving the complete rows. Let's see again, click on execute. I can see that we have 721 rows. Now when we apply the distinct keyword along with the column name, then it will only give the distinct only, the unique value, and it will eliminate the duplicate values. So the moment I click on execute, we have 3 values only. The same way, if I write down select location from this table, right, again we can see that we have 720 rows with duplicate values. I want to see how many unique values are there. So before that location, I write down distinct. And now select the statement and click on execute. Again we can see that we have only 3 unique values, and this is the result set. Why this location is highlighted in blue? Because this is the reserve keyword for SQL. So whenever we have some column name which is reserved in SQL, then it is advisable to just put bracket. Sorry. And now select it and click on the execute button. So this is how we can use the distinct keyword. It will eliminate the duplicate rows, and then we will be able to find the unique values. Okay. And if we want to, so if we are using the select distinct column name, it will give the distinct values. But if we are interested to see the count, then we will use the count statement. So we'll write down select count, close the bracket. First, it will give the unique values, and on the top of that we are using count. So the count will give the numbers of records. So ultimately this statement will give us the count of the unique value. So I'll select this statement and click on execute. So the result is 3. So there are 2 ways. If we are interested to see the exact unique values, then we will use select distinct column name. And if we are interested to see the count of the distinct value, then we will use select count and then the distinct column name. So this is how we can utilize the distinct statement and we can find the unique values of the count from the table. Thank you.